Alright guys, so yeah, your first look at the new iPhone 17 and Air, the thinnest iPhone ever. I'm gonna precisely show you as well how the colors look of these devices. We're gonna take a really close look at every single color, at the design, at the back, the bottom, every side angle, so you can make a good informed decision which color to get. And I'll also cover some main new changes and features. Alright guys, so here's your first look at the new iPhone 17 in sage green. Absolutely clean and a nice little green finish here. Really natural kind of look. I think a gorgeous finish. Our camera control here on the side, action button, USB-C. A very natural and a subtle green here. Gorgeous iPhone 17. Love to hear your thoughts actually about this color in the comments. So here's your first look at the new iPhone 17 in this gorgeous mist blue finish. So yeah, we still have camera control on the side, the action button, exactly 6.3 inch. Right there, the dual fusion camera system. And I like to address one of the biggest changes, and that's on the front-facing camera, because we now have a 18 megapixel front-facing camera that supports center stage. And this is absolutely a crazy thing. What you can do is we open up front-facing camera. Guys, your first look at the white iPhone 17. Yeah, as you can see here, this is like the minimal classic iPhone look where used to looks extremely clean and gorgeous and minimal. Again, with this dual fusion camera system on the back, the flash module there. Camera control, USB-C again. I think this is just a very solid choice for many people. Extremely clean and beautiful. The iPhone 17 in white. And here, obviously the black one. There cannot be an iPhone that is not black. iPhone 17 in black. Gorgeous, subtle black finish here. Really like this one. I think this will do really well with the gents. But yeah, nice subtle black. And I'd like to tell you something about the display, because this year every iPhone 17 model, so the 17, the iPhone Air, will have a ProMotion display. So that's an absolute win for the iPhone 17 lineup. Gorgeous ProMotion display, really quick and responsive, that 120 Hertz refresh rate. iPhone 17 in black. Then we also have the lavender iPhone 17. You see this subtle purple finish here. Absolutely gorgeous. I think this is more or less going to replace the pink iPhone. Obviously, the pink one was a bit more vibrant, a bit more hard as a color. And you see this subtle purple finish, this lavender one. Absolutely stunning. We have the camera control on the side. We have action button, still made out of aluminum, the gorgeous side. iPhone 17 in lavender. Alright guys, your first look at the iPhone Air, and this is the sky blue finish. That's also again very subtle, and on camera maybe difficult to see the difference between the sky blue and the subtle gold one we had and the cloud silver. It reminds me a lot of the MacBook Air. Obviously adds a little winky, a little connection to that product, obviously. But yeah, again, so insanely thin and almost as thick as the USB-C port. This comes in at 5.6 millimeters, which is incredible. Yeah, that single 48 megapixel camera on the back. Subtle blue finish. I actually love this a lot because it reminds me of the MacBook Air, one of the best Macs you can get, almost price to value ratio. And here your first look at the light gold one. Pretty difficult to extend maybe with regards to the cloud white one. But yeah, iPhone Air in light gold. Really subtle finish. Again, this extremely thin form factor, titanium on the sides. And we have this single lens camera, 48 megapixel. Go ahead. And yeah, a really subtle golden finish. I think from the four colors, this one is actually my favorite. Reminds me a bit of desert titanium, but yeah, extremely subtle gold finish. All right, guys. So first, look at the thinnest iPhone ever made. This is the cloud white color. Extremely light and tremendously thin, coming in at just 5.6 millimeters, almost as thin as the USB-C port. Single camera lens here on top, and as you can see, similar to the iPhone 17 Pro models, the iPhone Air has this lens and microphone on the right here, and yeah, extremely thin. I just don't know how to describe this, but it's so subtle, it's so soft, gorgeous material. And lastly, your look at the space black iPhone Air, and yeah, this one impresses me a lot. Such a thin form factor with this brutal black design. Absolutely love this one, and I'm gonna be honest, seeing it right now, I'm really doubting between getting a 17 Pro Max and this one because this is gorgeous. This black dark finish. As you can see, USB-C, camera control, and the action button. As you can see, it has it all. Single lens, 48 megapixel fusion camera as well. Your first look at the space black iPhone Air with that gorgeous ProMotion display as well. I can't believe it, but ProMotion on every single iPhone 17 this year, including the iPhone Air, obviously. Alright guys, right now a little comparison. On my left I have the iPhone 6, I took it with me, and on the right the new iPhone Air. And yes, this iPhone 6 was maybe the iPhone that's closest to the new Air, and I absolutely love it. It's so thin, and the iPhone Air is even thinner. So yeah, here you have them. Look to the top, look to the sides, look at the camera, also a single lens camera. And the iPhone Air, yeah, this one comes with the action button and the camera control. The iPhone 6 obviously came with a lightning port, and the iPhone Air with a USB-C port. And talking about battery life, the iPhone Air delivers an all-day battery, that's what Apple is saying. And with the new adaptive power mode that's coming in iOS, you will also have a better look in your battery consumption, and you can anticipate when things are running low. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the new iPhone 17 models and the iPhone Air in the comments.